Hi, this is Lisa from Crop with Lisa. I wanted to quickly show the 3 sets of numbers that you can cut on the Cheerful Seasons cartridge. This is called the basic font. It's very uniform. I like it a lot when I have a lot of stuff on my page and I don't want to get overwhelmed with all these different styles on the same 12 by 12 layout. So you'll see me cut this number 9 later in this video. But you can see that all the numbers are the same size and they're 2 inches for a dial size of 2 inches. Which is nice to know. When you set your dial size, that's the size of the number that you will get using the basic font. The next one I checked out is the Cheerful font, the 0, the 9, and the 1. And this is also a dial size of 2 inches, but you can see there's a very big difference in the size. I would say the Cheerful font is about 1 1/4 inches for a 2-inch dial size. And I think that's because the Cheerful font has a lot of characters that are very different in height. It's very playful. So if you put in a dial size of 2 inches in the Cheerful font, you will not get numbers 2 inches tall. You're going to want to add 3/4 of an inch or use your real dial size button, which we can talk about in another video. But the last font style we have on Cheerful Seasons is the Shapes, the Cheerful Shapes. And you can see the circles are the same size. They are not 2 inches. They are also, well, they're about 1.5 inches, I'd say. About 1.5 inches. Let me pull it off and put it onto a line. About 1.5 inches. So for a 2-inch dial size, you will get numbers in circles that are 1.5 inches and triangles that are about 1.75 inches. And the triangles and the circles are not the same size, and you can't pick. The number is a triangle or the number is a circle. So anyway, those are the 3 kinds of numbers we have on the cartridge. And if you stay tuned, you'll see me cut the basic font number 9. Let's hit reset all. Okay, let me start again. I'm on page 79 and I want the basic font. This is going to require me to use a function key on the left-hand side called basic font. It's on the top row, second button over. And now I'm going to hit the number 9, which is a white button, second from the end. And when you hit it, it comes up with flower 2, but just wait a second, and there's the 9. So let's go ahead and cut. And let me see how big this is. Okay, the dial size at 1.75 inches. And this is 1.75 inches. So the numbers are going to be the tallest. They made the numbers to be as tall as what you have the dial size on. And if you look at my other video, like I did the word sweet, you can see the S and the W are much smaller, and they come out at like 1 inch for 1.5 inches dial size. So the numbers will be real, kind of quote, real dial size. Whatever you dial in will be the size you get. And of course, if you want to do a shadow, you can do that. I don't think I need a shadow for my project. So the number 9, yay! Thanks for joining me and have a great day.